Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Tusk Pannier and Top Rack on this Yamaha Ténéré 700. If you're going on longer rides with your bike and need to carry some luggage, then these Tusk Pannier Racks are the way to do it. Now these things, they're not only inexpensive, but they're super tough and they're actually really easy to install. So let's go ahead and get these installed. Now this is the Tusk Pannier Rack kit. We've got our pannier racks, comes with the top rack, and it also comes with all of this mounting hardware. To do this job, we're going to need some common hand tools, including some ratchets. We have a couple combination wrenches, including 10 millimeters and 13 millimeter wrenches. We've got a 6 millimeter Allen socket, T40 Torx bit, and a 4 millimeter T-handle Allen. We also need safety glasses and some rags. So to start things out, we need to remove a couple of components. So we're going to start out by removing the foot pegs. So next we'll take this mounting bracket, we're going to set it on top of the foot peg, and we'll reuse these original bolts and tighten them down. There's plenty of length on these bolts to reuse them for this. Once you've tightened up the bolts for the passenger pegs on both sides of the machine, we'll move up to these bolts that are just underneath the seat on the side of the motorcycle. These bolts take a T40 Torx bit, and we'll remove them, and we won't be reusing these bolts. The next thing we're going to do is install the pannier rack. So we have some spacers. These are going to go in between the bike and the pannier rack for both of the top mounting locations on each side of the bike. And the bolt we're using, it's the longer bolt, and it has the 6 millimeter Allen key on top. So we'll start by putting those in place. And we're just going to put them finger tight for now. Next, we'll take this nut bolt and washer. This is the one that has the 13 millimeter head. And we're going to install it to this lower mounting point for the pannier rack. And again, we'll leave this finger tight. And we'll go ahead and do these same steps on the other side of the bike. Once the pannier racks are in place, we're going to install this back brace. So the brace, it has 4 mounting points. So the bolts that will be going on in those have the 10 millimeter head. And on the back side, we'll install the nylock nuts. And again, we'll just have these finger tight for now. The next thing we're going to install is the top rack. And I do want to point out that the top rack is available separate if you do want that. And how you install it, it'll just have these 4 mounting locations underneath the seat, and then it'll install the same way we're going to do this one. So we'll set this in place. We'll set these 4 screws down into position, and then we're going to put the washer and our lock nut on the other side. Again, we have everything finger tight right now. Once this is all set up, we can go through and sequentially we'll tighten everything down. And that's it for the Tusk Pannier Rack install. This job really is quick and easy. If you need these or any other parts and accessories for your bike, we have a lot of different options available on our website. And we also offer free shipping on orders over $75. So be sure to check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.